Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Master. Today we are going to solve Edexcel IGCSE 921 ICT Paper 2 using Database Software 2017. Let's see the question paper. So this is the question paper of 2017.
Say using database software March
March 28.
OPR 2017.
Data files needed OPR 2017.
And the scenario of this question paper is this.
Siley
is the leader of
Leonid
Outgroup
Siley
Park
is the leader of Outgroup Park Ramblers.
Here,
So here
we'll get the question paper.
Here we will get the
OPR
question paper.
2017 database
The
has three
OPR
tables,
2017 database has three tables: worker, postal worker, work, and history. Task DB1, open the OPR 2017 database, open the worker table. The structure of the worker table is given here.
Worker ID, title, first name,
Worker ID, title, first name, last name, address 1, address 2, postcode, mobile, gender, birth date.
So let's go to the data file.
Let's go to the data file.
Data files 2017.
Here, data files 2017. Go to Office 2007. Double click on OPR 2017.
Here there are three tables.
Here there are three tables. Open worker table. Double click on this. This is the data sheet view of worker table.
If you want to see the structure of this table,
if you want to see the structure of this table, you have to go to View, then Design View. This is the structure of this table.
Now next part, open a new document using
Microsoft software. Set the orientation, landscape, enter task DB1, your name, candidate number, and center number in the footer of the document.
word process document
Save
as task DB1.
the word process document as task DB1. So I have to go to
all
Start,
apps,
then All Apps,
Microsoft Office.
Go to Microsoft Office.
Click on Microsoft Office Word 2007.
Click on Microsoft Office Word 2007.
Page layout.
Go to page layout.
Size should be A4.
Paper size should be A4. Orientation should be landscape.
Go to footer. So click on insert.
Go to footer. So click on insert.
Footer.
Click on footer.
Now in footer, I have to
input some information. Task DB1. My name,
number,
candidate number, and center number.
Save it as task DB.
Now I have to save it as task DB1. So go to Office button. Save as Word document.
Create a folder on desktop.
Click on new folder. Folder name will be My Work. DB 2017. In this folder, I have to save it as task DB1. Click on Save. So I have saved this. Sorry.
So this part over.
Now A number Leonie wants to add a new record to the worker table. Add these details to the worker table.
So go to
database. Go to View, then Data Sheet View. Here, worker ID is
Here,
134.
worker ID is 134.
She's doctor.
She's doctor.
The first name is AG.
The first name is AG and
EHA.
EPHA.
Anderson.
Anderson.
Address 1 will be 5 Hill Street.
Address 1 will be 5 Hill Street.
Second line will be
Second line will be then home.
Postcode is
Postcode is G27
9
9EM.
Mobile
Mobile number is 077 00
Gender
900135.
female, so F.
Gender female, so F. Press. Then
Date of birth 9th August, so 8.
date of birth 9th August, so 8 9
1988.
1988.
Sort the worker table in
Sort the
alphabetical
worker
order
table in alphabetical order
of first name within alphabetical
of
order
first name within
last
alphabetical
name.
order of
So
last name. So
go to database,
go to database.
this should be
This should be the thing.
save the worker table. So click on save.
Save the worker table. So click on
Here.
save.
Click
Click on here.
mouse, copy.
Click on right button of the mouse. Copy.
Now paste
Now
it in.
paste it in
Word file.
Word file.
Decrease the font size to accommodate this.
Decrease the font size to accommodate this in one page. Still it took two pages. So you have to set up margin.
Now I can
accommodate this in one page.
Do not print at this stage.
Do not print at this stage. Answer these questions on document task DB1. Suggest a suitable validation rule for the title field. Explain why validation rules are used in database.
So I have to
give to answer C 1
a suitable
validation rule for the title field is
to use only
two characters. Second question is
why validation rules are used
explain why validation rules are used in a database.
Validation rules
are used in
are used
database
in a database
to
to ensure
consistency of data
consistency of
entry.
data entry.
Receive.
Receive.
Receive task DB1, so I have to receive
Receive
this
task
and print it.
DB1, so I have to receive this and print it.
Office button,
Go to
then
Office
print,
button, then print,
go to current, select current
then
page,
go
go to
to current,
properties,
select current page, go to properties,
advanced, change the paper size
advanced,
A4,
change
okay,
the paper size
okay,
A4,
and
OK,
click on
OK,
OK. This will be
and click on
printed.
OK. This will be
Close this.
printed. Now close this.
So total for task DB1
So
is
total
7.
for task DB1 is 7
Now
marks.
DB2,
Now DB2,
task DB2, open a new document
task
using word
DB2,
processing
open a
software,
new
enter
document
task
using word processing
DB2, your
software,
name,
enter
candidate
task
number and
DB2,
center
your name,
number in the
candidate
footer of
number
the
and
document.
center number in the
Save
footer
the
of the
word
document.
process document as
Save the
task
word
DB2.
process document as
So go
task
to start,
DB2. So go to
click on
start,
all apps, go to
click on
Microsoft
all apps,
Office,
go to Microsoft
click on
Office,
Microsoft Office Word
click on Microsoft
2007.
Office Word 2007.
Change the page layout.
Change the
The
page
size should
layout.
be A4.
The size should be
Go
A4.
to footer of the document, click
Go
on
to footer of the
insert,
document, click on insert,
cut,
click on footer,
type task
type task
to your name,
DB2, your
candidate
name, candidate,
number, center,
number,
number.
center,
Close header and
number.
footer.
Close header and footer.
Save the word process document as
Save the
task
word process
DB2.
document as
Go
task
to Office
DB2.
button,
Go to
click on
Office
Save
button,
as Word
click
document,
on Save as Word
go to
document,
Desktop,
go to
My Work
Desktop,
DB
My
2017,
Work DB
save it as
2017,
task
save it as task
DB2, save.
DB2, save.
Now A number C, Leonie
Now A
wants a
number
list
C,
of workers
Leonie
with
wants a list of
Dahlia as the
workers with
second line of their
Downlia as
address.
the second
The
line
list
of their
should display the
address.
title,
The
first
list
name,
should
last
display
name,
the
and
title,
postcode
first name,
only.
last name, and
Create a
postcode
query or
only.
search on the worker
Create a
table
query or
to
search
produce
on
this
the
list.
worker table to
Display
produce
the
this
results
list.
of the
Display the
query or search.
results of the
Save the
query or
query or
search.
search as
Save the query
DB2A.
or search as DB2A.
Copy the results of your query or
Copy
search
the
into
results
task
of your query
DB2.
or search into
Receive task
task DB2.
DB2. Do not
Receive
print at
task
this stage.
DB2. Do not print
So,
at this stage.
go to your
So,
database.
go to your database.
Go to create,
Go to
query
create,
design,
query design,
select worker table, add,
select worker table,
close.
add,
Now from this
close.
table,
Now from this
select
table,
title, double click on title,
select
double click
title,
on
double
first
click on
name,
title, double
double
click
click
on
on
first
last
name,
name,
double
double
click
click
on
on
last name,
postcode.
double click on postcode.
And obviously you have to double click on
And
address.
obviously you have to double click on address
And
2.
set the criteria in address 2.
Here set the
There should be
criteria in address 2.
down,
Criteria should be down, ER.
but you cannot display address 2.
But
So
you
click
cannot display
on
address 2. So click
off this tick sign.
on to off this tick sign.
Now save this as
Now save this as
DB2A. So go to office button,
DB2A. So go to
click
office
on here,
button, Click on here.
Save as, save object as,
Save as, save object as,
DB,
save it as DB to A.
Okay.
Click
Now
OK.
run this.
Now run this.
See, this is now copy the
See,
result.
this is now copy the
And
results.
here,
So
click
click
on
on
right button
here,
of the mouse.
click on right button of the mouse,
Copy.
click on
Now paste it
copy.
in
Now paste it in
Word file.
Word file.
Paste.
Paste.
Now B number, open the coastal
Now B number,
work table.
open
So,
the coastal
you have
work
to
table.
open
So
coastal work
you have to
table.
open coastal
Okay,
work
coastal
table.
work.
So click on coastal work.
Leonie wants a list of walks.
Leonie wants a list of walks with a
115
distance of
kilometer or more.
115
The
kilometer
list
or more.
should show
The
only the
list
field's
should
walk
show
name,
only the
region,
field's
distance,
work
and
name,
rating in this
region,
order.
distance, and
Create
rating
a
in this
query or
order.
search on the coastal
Create a
walk
query
table
or
to
search on the
produce this
coastal
list.
work table to produce
Display
this
the
list.
results of your query or search.
Display the
Save
results
the
of your
query or
query or
search
search.
as
Save the
DB2B.
query or search as DB2B. Copy the results of your query or search into task
Resave task
DB2.
DB2. Print
Resave task
DB2.
DB2. Print task DB2. So go to database, go to create, query design, select postal work, add, close.
From here, double click on
From here, double click on work name,
region,
double click on region,
distance,
double click on distance,
rating.
double click on rating.
So distance in distance.
So distance in distance, set the criteria. Criteria should be 115 kilometer
or more.
or more. Now
Save this as DB.
Save this as DB2B.
Okay. Now run
Okay.
this.
Now run this.
So this is the thing.
So this is the thing.
Now copy this.
Now copy
Click
this.
on right button. Copy.
Click on right button. Copy.
Paste it here. Click on paste.
Paste it here. Click on paste.
Resave this. Print this.
Now resave this. Print this.
Click on save icon.
So click on save icon.
Office button.
Click on
print.
office button. Click on print.
Current page. Properties.
Current page. Properties. Advanced.
Size A4.
Change the paper size A4. Okay. Okay. And okay. It will be printed. Close it.
So total for task DB2.
So total for task DB2 is 7 marks.
Now task DB3.
Now task DB3. Open a new document using word processing software. Enter task DB3, your name, candidate number, and center number in the footer of the document. Save the word process document as task DB3. So go to Start,
All apps, Microsoft Office,
Microsoft Office Word 2007.
Change the page layout.
It should be A4.
Go to footer of the
document, insert, then footer.
Here type task.
Here type task
DB3, your name, candidate, number, center, number, close header and footer, save it as tasks, DB3, so save as Word document, to desktop, work, task, DB3, save.
Now see
The image shows the relationship between the tables in the database. A number, answer these questions on the document task DB3. Explain why the worker ID field is required in both the worker and the history table. 2 number, explain why it is better to store the data in 3 tables rather than in just one table. Receive task DB3 do not print at this stage. So A1 and to answer you have to write down
the worker ID,
the worker ID, the worker ID field is required in both the worker and the history tables because
the worker ID,
the worker
ID
ID is the primary key in the worker table and foreign key in the history table. Now, 2 number question is explain why it is better to store the data. So, it is better to store the data in 3 tables rather than in just one table because it helps to avoid duplication and changes to data only need to be made once. Now save this. Do not print at this stage. Now B number. Leonie wants a list of workers who have completed either Angel C work or the Durham work. The list should show only the fields first name, last name, birth date,
work name, work date, and work time in this order. Be sorted in ascending order of work date within ascending order of work name. Create a query or search to produce this list from the link tables. Display the results of your query or search. So go to the database, create, query design, add, add, and add. Double click on first name. Double click on last name. Double click on birth date. Double click on work name. So work name, double click. Work date, double click. Work time, double click. So in work name, set the criteria. ANGLESE and Durham. And Orville or Durham. Now work date, sort it in ascending order. Work name also in ascending order. Display the results or run. Now save this query as DB3B. So DB3B. Okay. Now copy the results. Click on right button, copy, open was word process document, tab B, paste it here, click on paste. Now save this. Print this. So you have to print it. Go to office button, click on print, properties, add font, change the paper size A4, okay, okay, current page, click on OK. Then it will be printed. So this is done. For this task, total marks is 9. Now DB4. Leonie wants to display the results of the query or search carried out in part B of task DB3 in the database report. Create a database report to display the result. The report must show only the fields work name, first name, last name, and work date in the order. Have a suitable title, have column headings that are easy to understand, fit onto one side of a landscape. Enter task DB4, your name, candidate number, and center number in the page footer. Check that the layout and content of the database report is fit for purpose. Save the database report as task DB4. Print the database report on one side A4. So you have to create a report. Go to create a report wizard. DB3. From DB3, at first you have to take work name. Then you have to take first name. Then you have to take last name. Then you have to take work date. Go to next, next, next. Next, next, next. Now here you have to put a suitable title. So I am putting suitable title. Workers completing either angles C or arm works. Finish. So this is my report, but here I have to do some modification to display. Now in footer I have to add some information. Go to label, type, task, DB4, name, candidate number, and center number. Now go view report. This is C. Now I have to save it as task DB4. So go to office button, click on save as, save object as. Now I have to save it task DB4. Okay. Now I have to take a print of this. Go to office button, click on print. Go to properties. Go to advanced. Paper size should be A4. Okay. Layout should be in layout. Orientation should be landscape. So click on landscape. Okay. And click on OK. It will be printed. So total for task DB4 is also 5 marks, and total for this activity is 28 marks. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum. That's all for today.